This is the K'NEX Supernova Blast roller coaster released in 2013. The kit contains 840 pieces and is for children 9 years and up. The instructional manual for this roller coaster comes in the box. Also, the instructions in PDF format are available for download at the K'NEX website, and I have included both links in the text box below. Here is the red blaster motor. It has two spinning rubber wheels that connect both sides of the car and blasts it to the top. The car needs to have some momentum going into the motor for it to reach the top. Just gently pushing the coaster car into the motor will not create enough speed, as I will show you.